Updating your payment information on Wells Fargo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to payment settings. Once logged in, locate the account services or payments section. Click on this option to find payment settings. Step 3. Select update payment information. In the payment settings, look for an option that says update payment information or edit payment methods. Click on this to proceed. Step 4. Enter new payment details. Input your new payment information such as credit card number or bank account details. Make sure to double check for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new information, look for a save or submit button. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. Make sure to regularly check your payment information to avoid any disruptions. Following these steps will help keep your account up to date.